Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best bike stands that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sportneer bike repair stand. Here is a fantastic selection of a foldable bike stand that you can use for positioning the bike during the repair. The stand folds compatibly, making it fit for convenient storage plus portability. More interestingly, it has been fitted with wider feet that provide better stability on every surface. The stand is constructed using premium quality reinforced aluminum material that guarantees increased longevity. It is a perfect pick that fully rotates in 360 degrees so that you can easily move it from side to side for the convenient repair of the bike. Additionally, it is a reliable unit that you can adjust to get the appropriate height that will suit your working needs. The stand can easily extend to 5.3 feet, thus a selection you don't want to miss. The unit has a foam support jaw that will tightly grip the bike in place for better support. Moving on at number 4, we have the Park Tool Home Mechanic Repair Bike Stand. This is a top-rated product from Park Tool that you will find suitable for your bike. The stand has been ruggedly built using the highest quality of premium steel material that has a textured powder coat. This means that it will stay free from rust and corrosion. More interestingly, the stand is very stable thanks to the wider feet with non-slip rubber cap. Because of this, it will stay intact on every surface, thus a selection you don't want to miss. Other than this, the bike stand is easily portable thanks to the sleek foldable design that allows for better carriage. What is more, the bike stand has an adjustable height that you can move to different heights to suit your needs. It is adjustable from 39 inches to 57 inches and, therefore, a pick that will suit most users. The teardrop-shaped tubing adds great strength and stability needed when working. At number 3, we have the Feedback Sports Rakk bike stand. Feedback Sports Rakk bike stand is a quality unit that has been crafted using the highest quality of the material. Because of this, it is a very sturdy and stable stand that will accommodate the weight of most bikes. Besides this, the bike stand has a wider base that provides better stability on every surface. Other than this, it has a spring-loaded arm so you can easily fold to the back or front. Hence a great selection, you can easily carry it in store. Again, the stand has 2 base foot that gives better support on every surface. Other than this, the stand is finished in a wide range of colors for all users to get their favorite pick. It has an adjustable height, which implies that you can adjust to fit the required height. At number 2, we have the CyclingDeal 5 bike floor type parking rack stand. The compatibility of the bike stand is a feature that you should think about when making the order. Here is a fantastic selection of a bike stand that you will find excellent for your needs. The stand has a longer and provides great stability thanks to the premium quality built. It is finished in a black powder coat for a great look and prevents rust and corrosion. Moreover, the bike stand has a large capacity to keep up to 3 bikes. It is also a breeze to use and assemble since it comes with all parts in the pack. And finally at number 1, we have the BIKEHAND bicycle floor rack stand. Are you looking forward to buying the ultimate bike stand for your bike? This is a fantastic bike stand that you can use for most bikes with sizes of 26 to 29 inches. Other than this, it has a patented simple push design, hence makes it a breeze and simpler to use. What is more, the stand has a foldable portable, making it easy to carry when traveling. The bike stand has durable design plus powder coated so that it stays free of rust and corrosion. Besides this, the bike stand has been equipped with non-slip rubber feet for better stability on every surface. Lastly, it is a stylish and dynamic unit that you will find a favorite for your bike. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.